Welcome all of you. In last video, single phase AC voltage regulator you will learn. Okay, so this is circuit diagram for the single phase AC voltage regulator. Source is a 100 voltage, frequency 50 Hz. Okay, to the AC are anti-parallel connected. Then resistive load is used. Then what is the firing angle of that one? It's a 0. Okay, here is a 180 degree. So no firing angles. I'm give for that one. So okay, 0 firing angles. So run the program. I want to see the output across the resistance. So it is a sinusoidal waveform. Okay, you have see that one. It's a sinusoidal waveform. Suppose I will going to give the firing angle 30 degree firing angle. So delay I will going to give for that one. So 30 degree. So 30 divided by 360 multiply 0.02. So it's a 30 degree firing angle I'm applied. So here also bottom side. So I will going to apply plus 30. I need to apply. So 30 degree firing angles. Okay, once run the program, then you will going to see the result. So 30 degree firing angle top as well as bottom. See that one 30 degree firing angle top as well as 30 degree firing angle for the bottom. Okay, fine. The next one, double stage AC voltage regulators. So this is called double stage AC voltage regulators. So I explained on theoretically. Please, if you are doesn't know the concept, please look the theoretical PPT of that one. Then coming to here, so it's a simulations. Okay, I explained through one of the mode diagram concept. So please refer it. That mode diagrams. I mean, it is a mode diagram for. So in this double stage AC voltage regulator, I have see that one here is a V. In that one as per that okay theoretical model, it's a V2 voltage. I'm going to give for that V2 voltage. So V2 voltage is a 50 voltage. Okay, V2 is equal to 50 voltage, and the V1 voltage. This is a V1 voltage. So V1 it is equal to 100 voltage. So what is the firing angle? So from first one is a V2. From V2 to this is a firing angle. So it is start from that one. Okay, 0. Okay, this is a I am giving for that 0. Okay, so 0 I am going to start it. Okay, and giving to the load. Another one is this one. Okay, then this thyristor. Sorry, this thyristor will going to start it. So first one. Okay, mode 1 this thyristor. Mode 2 this thyristor will going to start it. So now what will happen? 100 voltages flow to that load. 100 voltages flow to the volt. 30 degree delay after that. So it is start to conducted after 30 degree. So first one is I am giving 50 voltage. If I have see that 50 voltage only I will going to give for that one 0. Then it is increase into the what is that one here is increased into the 100 voltage is increased after 30 degree. It is increased into the 100 voltage after 30 degree, increase into the 100 voltage and flow to the load. Okay, positive cycle is over. Negative half cycle, what about bottom is a phase with respect to neutral. So bottom is a phase. So here it is going to flow here. So first one it will going to flow from origin of the 0 degree. So 50 voltage it will going to start to flow. So 180 is origin. Yes. So 50 voltage only flow. Then after that it is a 100 voltage when it is a flow. 30 degree delay after that 100 voltage. So 30 degree delay. See that one 30 degree delay. Okay. After that 100 voltages flow to the circuits. So okay, so the load across the point, okay, only it is connected to the voltmeter, and then okay, scope is connected. So I'll just look it. Okay, if you doesn't know the concept, please look about the video of that. What is it on 2-stage AC voltage regulator? I explained through Word document. So just run the program. Yes, running is completed. Yes, see that one. Okay, so it is a it's a 50 degree. Okay, voltage is less than 50. So up to the 0 to 30. Okay, first thyristor is conducted. Then second thyristor is 100 voltage. It is conducted from what is that one alpha. Okay, 0 to alpha. This is a point. Alpha to pi is conducted. Similarly, next this is a mode 2, mode 3. From this is a mode 3 pi to alpha 50 voltage only maximum. Okay, less than 50 only. Then from this point to this, what is this one? 2 pi. So 2 pi is another 100 voltage is conducted. Okay, so this is a double stage AC voltage regulator. Okay, so this is a document I prepared for you, easy to understand. What is the load I'm using? R load only I'm explaining. So this is R load. So in that R load, what is the first one is conducted T3 thyristor. Next one is T1. Okay. Okay, where is a T? This is a T3. I will show you. So T3. So this is a T4. Thyristor 4. So where is the first one? This is a T1, then this is a T2. Okay, so this is a model. Okay, first one T3. Okay, the 50 voltage only flow to the load. Yes, 50 voltage only it will going to flow to the load. Okay, so what we are going to see? Okay, AC voltage regulators, double stage. Yeah, see that one, this is a waveform. Okay, in the waveform we will want to look it. So in this waveform, so our waveform also produced like this is a method only. So our waveform also it is a produced like that one only. So here is a what is this one, alpha? This alpha is a T3. The next one is a T1 is conducted. First T3 is need to give. The next one is a, this is 0. I have given that one conductance. Then it is a voltage also I have V2 is I gave for the 50 voltage. Then this is a V1 plus V2 is a 100 voltage. See that this one voltage is summation. So 100 voltage is a flow. So 100 voltage it is a flow here. So through that one this is thyristor. Okay, 30 degree, I mean after alpha it is conducted, and from up to the pi. Similarly reverse, negative of cycle also. Negative of cycle T4, then next T2. So T4 first one, then after that T2. Okay, see that one, this is a 4. Okay, 4 thyristor working on operations. Okay, when you have, see, look at this ones. So this is a period. So I have explained 0 to alpha, 0 to alpha. Yes, 0 to alpha is conducted this period. Alpha to pi. Yes, alpha to pi is conducted on the, this is mode 2. Then mode 3, what is that one? So pi to pi plus alpha, pi to pi plus alpha, pi to pi plus alpha. Yes. Then next one is a mode 4. What is that one? Okay, pi plus alpha to 2 pi, pi plus alpha to 2 pi. Okay, so your waveform should be like this is the type of the waveform. Okay, output voltage and output current waveform. Okay, when you have a look at about simulations, so your MATLAB simulation also same. Okay, so your MATLAB simulation waveform also produce the same waveform. Okay, so you will going to give the proper pulse to, you will going to get the waveform. Okay, see that one. Yes, so this is about that double stage AC voltage regulator. Okay, or two stage AC voltage regulator. That's all. So this is single stage and this is a two stage. Okay. So single stage AC voltage regulator, another one is a two stage AC voltage regulator. That's all. Thank you.